My name is Eric Snow, and I believe my field is electrician, or apprentice electrician. My experience in the program was very unique. Now, what I did was, there were some courses that I needed to review, such as the mathematics of electricians, conduit bending, and even the virtual training was cool. Some of it seemed pretty basic, such as fixing a light bulb, but that was not correct. And you even get to test out a multimeter in there. And testing a voltage pen tester, receptacle tester, stuff like that. It was pretty cool. Once you finish all your courses, and you're offered a kit to assemble. Wires here. I learned that a hot wire goes to brass, and the neutral wire goes to silver. Here, really like the hands-on approach, and felt like I learned more from that. Well, it was quite fun working with a screwdriver, putting wires here and there, and using a multimeter to test the current and resistance, and that was cool. You learned that there was, probably wrong about this, and even learned that there was some current going through the metal that was connecting. Just like working with my hands. And you get to watch videos that reviewed it. And most of them will give you sub-notes that you can take notes on. Very important to take notes. And then you're quizzed on what you saw in the video. And when you're looking at the notes, you're able to pass it. Yeah, that was cool. Well, granted though, there was one course that I struggled to understand a bit. It just didn't feel like that was presented well. It was solar. I think conduit bending, maybe if I got a real feel for it. And last time it was more of a point and click in the virtual. But when I did the virtual thing, I started to get the hang of it. Most of it is in simulation, but it's still a good experience. And for some of the simulations in there, you'll be seeing a problem there. Some of it is obvious and some of it is not. And you need to take it slow. Don't pace it through it, because when you say that you're done, it will think that you're not done. And so take it slow, don't rush it. I think that this is a unique experience, and it can be very rewarding. And the hands-on approach is basically your final test, making sure that everything's connected right. And you connect two 3-way switches along with a 4-way switch, with the 3-way and 4-way cables.